Have you noticed your body feeling stiffer, your balance becoming less stable, and everyday movements requiring more effort than before? In just 15 minutes today, this gentle, full-body Tai Chi workout will help you improve mobility, strengthen your muscles, and feel more energized without any jumping or strain. This exercise helps improve shoulder mobility, upper back flexibility, posture, and coordination, while gently reducing tension and stiffness. Three, two, one, rest. Exercise 2, side push horse stance flow. 3, 2, 1, go. This exercise helps improve leg strength, balance, coordination, hip mobility, and upper body control, while encouraging smooth, flowing movement. Three, two, one, rest. Exercise 3, alternating sky punch. 3, 2, 1, go. This exercise helps improve leg strength, balance, shoulder mobility, and full body coordination, while promoting better posture and energy flow. Three, two, one, rest. Exercise 4, scooping reach and stretch. 3, 2, 1, go. This exercise helps improve leg strength, shoulder flexibility, balance, spinal mobility, and encouraging full body stretching and smooth coordination. Three, two, one, rest. Exercise 5, overhead stretch squat. 3, 2, 1, go. This exercise helps improve leg strength, hip mobility, shoulder flexibility, and balance, while promoting better posture and full body stability. 3, 2, 1, rest. Exercise 6. Single leg reach and balance. 3, 2, 1, go. This exercise helps improve balance, leg strength, core stability, and shoulder mobility, while enhancing posture and body control. Three, 2, 1, rest. Exercise 7. Side lunge weight shift. 3, 2, 1, go. This exercise helps improve leg strength, hip mobility, balance, and lower body stability, while encouraging smooth weight transfer and coordinated movement. Three, 2, 1, rest. Exercise 8. Open wings and sink. 3, 2, 1, go. This exercise helps improve leg strength, shoulder mobility, balance, and posture, while promoting gentle lower body endurance and coordinated movement. Three, 2, 1, rest. Exercise 9. Alternating forward reach and rise. 3, 2, 1, go. This exercise helps improve hamstring flexibility, balance, coordination, and spinal mobility, while promoting gentle stretching and full body circulation. Three, 2, 1, rest. Exercise 10. Alternating heel lift and arm flow. 3, 2, 1, go. This exercise helps improve balance, coordination, leg strength, hip mobility, while enhancing posture, body control, and overall stability. 3, 2, 1, rest. Exercise 11, gathering and pressing energy. 3, 2, 1, go. This exercise helps improve shoulder mobility, arm coordination, posture, and circulation, while encouraging smooth, controlled movement and relaxation. Three, 2, 1, rest. Exercise 12, rising knee and sky reach. 3, 2, 1, go. This exercise helps improve balance, leg strength, core stability, and coordination, while enhancing posture and overall body control. 3, 2, 1, rest. Great job completing today's workout. Remember, even 15 minutes of gentle movement each day can help improve your balance, strength, and overall well-being over time. If you enjoyed this session, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join me again for our next Tai Chi workout.